Namo Namaha. In a trauma situation, just like a car accident or a battlefield war, time is ultimately the life. Excessive blood loss is the ultimate cause of unpreventable death. But a group of South Korean scientists published a study in the Scientific Daily that sounds like science fiction. They have created AGCL powder. When sprinkled on a wound, it reacts with the calcium in your blood to form a solid protective gel in just 1 second. Then, how does it work? It's a combination of 3 natural biopolymers. First, alginate. Alginate from seaweed reacts with the blood calcium to create a gel. Second, gelin gum. Gelin gum reinforces the gel so that it does not break under atrial pressure of the body. And third, chitosan. Chitosan, being positively charged, pulls in negatively charged RBCs or red blood cells of the body to form an instant plug. In the modern science, we call this principle clotting cascade acceleration. But in Ayurveda, we call this principle as Stambhan. The father of surgery, Acharya Sushruta, has dedicated an entire chapter to the management of blood or Rakta Dhatu, which he called the root of life. He described the 4 specific methods to stop the bleeding. Look at the second one, Skandan. Chaturvidham Tatyatha Sandhanam Skandanam Pachanam Dahanam iti. He explains that Randhan is joining the wound, but Skandan is the act of blood coagulation. Sushruta had used the powders made of Priyangu and Masoor because their dry astringent properties cause the blood to thicken, exactly what AGCL does today. He also spoke about Sandhaniya Mahakshaya. These biopolymers are simply the modern versions of Sandhaniya Mahakshaya. Whether it's a lab in Seoul or surgical school in the ancient Varanasi, the goal remains the same: protecting the prana by stopping the loss of Rakta Dhatu from the body. AGCL is a brilliant innovation, and it's a powerful reminder that our ancestors had understood the physics of healing long ago. I am Shaurya Mohan for the Sanskrit Board as we continue to bridge the gap between the ancient past and the modern present. Thank you. Dhanyavadah.